Assalamu alaikum and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can take the size of image and how you can take the height and the width of the image. So let's start the code and you will see here is the code, and I use this image class, and inside this image class I pass this widget.file. Basically this image is coming from the gallery, so I take the image from the gallery and store inside here. Okay, so if you want to take the size of acid image, you can simply write acid here and pass the image which is coming from the acids. So if you store the image in acid folder, you will see I store many images inside this acid folder. So if I use this download.jpeg, so you have to write the path of image. So you have to write this acid folder name and slash image name. And also you have to write this path in this file. So you will see I write here the path of image. You have to write this image inside this file, and or you simply write this acid. So you don't need to write all the images inside this acid. If you write this acid slash, it automatically take all the images which are present inside this acid folder. Okay, so now you will see if you want to get the size of image which is inside acid, you have to write acid here. If you want to take the size of image which is coming from the gallery, so you have to write file here. Okay, and if you want to get the size of image which is coming from some network or URL, so you have to write network here like this. Okay, so I write acid here, and after that you have to use this function, and this function simply returns the info of the image. And you will see I use this info.image dot width dot double. So in this way I get the width of the image, and now I also take height of the image. So you have to write info dot image dot height to double. So in this way I take the width and take the height, and now I will show this height and width inside print function. Okay, so now let's run this code. And you will see the output here. I run this code and take some image. So I select this image, and you will see here is the width. Let me make some changings. So cut this and paste it here and write a Okay, so now let's run this code. And you will see, select the image, and select this image, and you will see here is the message. Height, this is the width and this is the height of the image. Okay, so now if you want to take the size of image which is selected from the gallery, then you have to write file here, and then you have to pass a path of file. So you will see, when I run this code, I select the image from gallery. So when I click on this gallery button and I select this image, so in this code I pass this selected image to this page, which is image.pic. And when I click on this image, you will see I pass that image to this page, and this page is image.pic, and from the and this page where is this gallery button is this page 1. So if I open this page 1, you will see I create two buttons, these two buttons here, and here is the gallery button, and you will see here is on press method, and inside on press method I create this capture image function. And if I show you this function, you will see this is function, and I pass this image source. In this time the image source is gallery, and I pass here image source dot gallery, and the second button is for camera, and I pass camera here. So for this time we take the image from the gallery, and you will see, then I check if this image is not null, then I call this page which is image pic, and I pass this pic file. Okay, so this is the image which user select from the gallery. So I pass that image, okay, inside this select image, and you will see here is the select image, and I store that image inside this file variable. Okay, so that image is stored inside this file variable. Okay, so now what I will do here, I put widget dot file. So this file is the variable where I store the image now, and dot path, file, you have to store this file. Now that file is stored inside this image, and I pass this image to this function which simply returns the information of the image. And now I store the width and the height inside width and height variables, and now this message is shown. Okay, so now let's run this code. Okay, so the app is restarted, and I select the image from the gallery. Okay, so now select this image, Okay, open this and you will see here is the width and this is the height of the image, and you will see the height and the width of image is almost same, so that's why there is minor difference between these two. Okay, now select some other image. Okay, I select this image and you will see here is the width and here is the height of image. Okay, so forget this background because this is a separate container. So here is the original image which we selected from the gallery. So this is the width and this is the height of the image, and you will see here is a large difference between height and width because the width is this and the height is this. Okay, this is the separate image. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel and share with your friends and share in WhatsApp. Thank you for this video. Allah Hafiz.